Hi, everybody. My name is Denise Jelinek. I've been with the Juice Plus company for 15 years. In fact, I signed my partner agreement from the minute I put my first order in. Frankly, I just knew too much and I knew I would never be off Juice Plus. However, I haven't been intentionally sharing Juice Plus until the last 13 years. And one of the most awesome tools ever for me and my business and to fit my personality are these Shred10s. I absolutely love them. I'm a personal trainer and a wellness coach by profession, and I absolutely love helping people being able to walk alongside them in the relationships that I've been able to create using the Shred have been fantastic for my business as well. So I want to teach you what's been working well for me and how to run a successful Shred10 in 5 easy steps. Okay, so the philosophy on my team is not that you need to buy the products to participate in the Shred10. It's just the way that I find has been really successful for me. Not only does it allow me and the rest of my team to show the prospect our heart and who we really are, they have no pressure to buy, right? We have nothing, they have nothing to lose. We truly want to help them change their lives. Once these people fall in love with our community through our Facebook group and through that one-on-one attention that they get from me and every single person, once you work with, once you have somebody doing the Shred, you will work with them one-on-one. You will have the opportunity to naturally learn their struggles, the struggles of your prospects, and show them in a more personalized way how Juice Plus will be a solution for them. A side note is that once they get into the Shred Facebook group, they have about a 10-day huge long Juice Plus commercial that has everything to do with the heart of our community and support that we offer, and they become locked in. It has just been very wonderful for us. So that's the way that we run our Shred group. You may run it just a little bit different, but here's how you get the people to get in your group. So let us begin. Number one, and just as you know, all of these PDFs and all of these resources will be in the description. Number one, you need to start with a text blitz. Okay, and this will be 2 to 3 weeks before the start of the Shred. I recommend starting this 3 weeks before. So you will make a list of 175 to 100 people. And really, guys, stretch yourselves. Go to 100. Who do you know? Who do you know? Look through your phone. It won't be that hard. Send them the monthly Shred image with something like, hey, want in? Or should I count you in for this 10-day jumpstart? Or, hey, are you ready to jumpstart your 2021 or jumpstart your May or whatever the month is? You will go through every single person, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Do not answer anyone. If they answer you, just keep going till you get to those 100. Now, listen, if you're like, wait, what's this Shred image? Just check out the Embrace Health Shred Facebook group. It's called Embrace Health Shred10 Style. I'll link back to that in the description, and we always have the image there. You can also talk to your upline or create your own image. Now, when they say yes, you are going to send them a 3-minute video giving them, or you will ask them, hey, may I send you a 3-minute video to give you the details? I like to send a different video, but here's one that you can send. If you never hear back from them, if they're like, not interested, move on. Don't spend any attention convincing anybody. So if they say yes, here's one of the videos that you can send, or you can also send a favorite. And then you could say, once you send that, you'll say, would you be able to watch it in 2 days from now? Which would be like, are you able to watch this on Thursday? And then you schedule that follow-up. Great. I'll be in touch Thursday. All right. So that's step one. You've gone through all of your list. Now you could literally do that in 30 minutes. Okay. Not a big deal. Step two is you're going to follow up in 2 days. So follow up in 2 days with, hey, a little text. Did life allow you to see the video? If not, no worries. And I really find that people respond back when I say, oh, if not, no worries. Now, if they say yes, if they say, oh, no, I haven't had a chance to watch it, then say, oh, okay, no problem. How about Saturday? Are you available Saturday morning? Could you watch it by Saturday? So that's why I recommend starting this at least 3 weeks before the Shred begins. I mean, crap, you could even do it 4 weeks ahead, because people tend to not be able to get to it takes a while to kind of get into this. But if they say yes, you can say, oh, what did you like best? Now, what do you feel like you would like to commit to for those 10 days? And this is like a 10-minute phone call, super fast. And then as you're getting off the phone with them, if they say, oh yeah, you know, like I would love to commit to more water. Oh, I would love to try in the shakes. Oh my gosh, well, I've been really trying to exercise. Listen to what they say. Have no preconceived notions about what is best for them. Really, I mean, sometimes when people say, gosh, no, I'm not really interested, I do often, in total transparency, say, really? I don't say really. I say, in a text, I really encourage every woman to take 10 days to focus on her health, even if it's just drinking more water and having a positive affirmation. I try to get them to say yes to something, something that will get them in the group, something to get them focusing on their health. So I just try to get a yes for anything, even if it's just increasing their water or adding 20 minutes of walking, whatever it is that will take them 1 to 2 steps, even baby steps forward in their health. And that's just my personal belief, because I've seen what 1 to 2 baby steps month after month after month after month has done. In fact, let me give you an example of a woman named Deborah. She started the Shred10 in November of 2020. She started in November and she just thought, well, I'm going to add the smoothies. And she changed a little bit of her diet. Would you believe that by April, not only was she'd added the capsules, but she was also adding extra days of activity, and she's totally gluten and dairy free now. It is amazing what people do. So we have somebody who has not only changed her entire health, but is experiencing a different way of living because of our group. And don't think that Deborah doesn't love looking forward to every single shred. Okay, sidebar, sorry. So you're gonna follow up on that video when they say, and just have that conversation, see what you can do with them. All right, so once they are in, you need to get them plugged in. So ask them if you can send them a couple samples of the smoothie and then send them some recipes after they get the smoothies. So here's what I usually do. I get them the smoothies, whether a couple packets of complete, and that might be, you know, if I mail it to them, then I say, text me when you get this so that I can send you some recipes. All right. In the meantime, or if I drop it off on their front porch, hey, once you get this, let me know so I can send you some recipes. And then I'll say, in the meantime, may I add you to the Facebook group? So you can add them to the Facebook group. Then our team uses Embrace Health Shred10 style. It is awesome. So you're going to add them to that group. Always ask first. Apparently, it is a huge Facebook faux pas to add people to Facebook groups without asking them first. Okay, now I always find out. So once we're in the group, then I'll continue to message them back and forth on Facebook to find out what their top 3 goals are. Hey, what do you really hope to get out of this 10-day jumpstart? You might be able to do that on a conversation as well. On the phone. Make sure that you get their products ordered, letting them know it'll take at least 7, could take up to 10 days to get their products. So make sure that they get that ordered. Here's another resource for you guys. So some people have even more questions like, well, why do I have to order the Shred10 products? Or why do I have to order a 4-month supply? Responses to commonly asked questions are in the Shred guide, and you guys can just click on that, and that is also linked below. All right, step 4, it is time to shine and time to help them shine. All right, so your number 1 goal in this 10 days is to make sure that they feel so supportive and so successful. Along the way, you want to show some leadership by posting your experiencing as well as your experience and commenting on other people's posts, especially your customers and your prospects. Daily, you want to contact your shredder via messenger or text, always staying in contact with them, perhaps even a couple times a day. The more you support them, the more successful they will be. And it's only 10 days. So you really want to pour your heart into this. Now, on day 7 or 8, this is going to propel you into the next step, which is to set up a time to follow up on their shred. I usually say something like, oh, I'm so excited to hear all about your shred. Would you have time to talk Friday afternoon or Saturday morning for 10 minutes? I want to hear how it went for you. And the 5th and final step is that cheerleader follow-up. During that follow-up is when you say, oh my gosh, what went well? I am so excited to hear. And you can even comment back and be specific on something that you saw them post. So what went well for you? And then as they start to talk about everything that went really well, say, are you surprised that you were able to do all of that? What did you like? How did you like the group? Did you feel supported? Who else knew that you were shredding? And remind them that anytime they can add anybody to the group. Hey, have you, and then you can also inquire about other products. Hey, have you considered adding the complete or the capsules? I know that you're really interested in detoxing. The capsules are fantastic about that. So you can find out if it is a nice opportunity for them to start adding the products. I've had people who have shredded with our group I'm thinking of one person in particular. She shredded with our group 2 months in a row without the products, and then finally got on the Children's Health Study and got the complete smoothies. I also like to ask them, who would you like to add to the group? Okay, so we always want them to be adding a buddy, because the more support they have, the more people, number one, that they will have support with and success, but also that's more people that we are actually able to help. Okay, so I do want to show you one little thing here, and that if you do go to the members, I can look to see who was added by who. So let's go down here. So people who are new to the group. So this person was added by, it will tell you who was added by who. So you can start to see who your customers added, right? And so what I like to do is if I have Gina, who is my customer, and she added Kelly, then I'm going to reach out to Kelly and say, hi, am I, just to really try to support Kelly as well as Gina. So I want to support everybody who's now in my network. All right. And the best part about this, friends, is this. Repeat step 1. You go back to the top and you start again. So I hope this helps you run your next shred in the most successful way possible and start to change people's lives. Have an awesome day. And if you guys need any help, my contact info is also there as well.